Here we are working on the 11th main and the 12th, the 11th main and the 12th one, 12th main out of the exercise 4A. So what does this tell for us? Yeah, the 11th one tells given x belongs to integers, find the solution set for -5 less than or equal to -5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. Okay, so it means to say we have two relationships, and when we have two relationships, there is no need for us to change any or alter any relationships. Earlier in our previous to this, we were working on single relationship. Now it is that we are going to compare with the two relationships. So let's be a little careful. Let us just keep the things as it is. So it is -5 plus 3 less than or equal to 2x, which is -2 less than or equal to 2x, or it is -1 less than or equal to x. It means x -1 is less than or equal to x. It means x is greater than -1, I can say, but let me just keep it as it is. So now here also 2x minus x less than -3 minus plus 3 plus 2. So which is x less than 5. So here if you observe, there is -1 less than or equal to x, and also this x is less than or equal to 5. And now what? These are set of integers. So what we said here is -1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Here we got the relationship. Therefore, x is equal to -1. Why? Set of integers. Then 0. Then what? From -1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Should I add 5? No, I'm not adding because it is less than that. And I said -1 is equal to x. Therefore, I'm adding. And then after -1, what comes in the number line? 0. And then we just move on. So this was for 11th main, which they said initially that the solution set is set of integers, right? Or the replacement set is set of integers. You find the solution set which comes obviously in the integer set only. So here they gave the question, but you need to observe that this is double relationship. We are going to compare with two relationships. What are we going to do is one thing we should be careful that we are not going to alter the relationships as we were doing in exercise 4 and exercise 7, right? So I mean to say the 4th main and the 7th main, we don't do like that here. Okay, so where is the first one? The first split -5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3. So in that we said -1 is less than or equal to x. We derived there and we just kept it. Right side we said x is less than 5. We just kept it. So -1 less than or equal to x less than 5 is the relationship we got. So x is greater. When I say -1 is less than or equal to x, x is greater than -1, which would be 0. Which would be, it is equal to -1, which would be -1. Then x is less than 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, let's move on for the 12th one. What is the 12th one telling here? Yeah, x is set of whole numbers. Find the solution set for -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23. -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23. Again, how many splits? 2 splits, right? Okay. So, it is x belongs to whole numbers. Can I say it as W? Or should I say it as here x is set of whole numbers. Now, -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x. That is one thing. Next, 3 plus 4x less than 23, another thing, right? So now I said -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x. Let me take my 3 left side is equal to 4x, which would be -4 less than or equal to 4x, or -1 less than or equal to x. This side it is 3 plus 4x. So I'll say 4x less than 23 plus 3, which is 4x less than 26, or x less than 26 by 4 and being whole numbers. What is 26 by 4 is 6 24.2 comes to be 2, 5, something like that. So therefore, anything lesser than 6 or including anything lesser than 6 should work for us. Next, are we correct here? It is 3 plus 4x lesser than 23. Let us just observe 3 plus 4x. Yes, it is 3 plus 4x. 4x is 3. Okay, I'm very sorry here. We should change it to 23. Being plus, I should change it to minus. I'm sorry. And then 0 and then 0. Next comes to be 5. Okay. So it is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 5. So therefore, here comes your solution set to be minus 1 because it is equal to then 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4 being whole numbers, right? I'm very sorry, I did a mistake here. It was plus 3. I had shifted it to be minus 3 and therefore x comes to be lesser than 5. Okay. So this is on our 12th one.